W.D. Hoard was a governor of Wisconsin for a couple of years. So that's why we decided to call it Governor Select. This cheese that we're tasting today is a little over a year old.
You're using a sharp cheddar, white cheddar, not colored, and you're using all Guernsey milk. So that's different there where everybody else is orange, extra sharp, and Holstein.
Well, we chose not to color it because not only does Guernsey milk have higher fat and protein, but it also has some beta carotene in it, which makes the milk itself a more buttery, creamy colored as opposed to white. So then as it gets made into cheese, it's more of a cream color as well. So that's why we decided not to color it.
The first thing that I noticed on this is that a lot of cheddars, especially at a full year's age, are really just crumble and fall apart. This has got a lot of butter to it, so I'm getting more of a flexibility in it than typically, in a lot of these cheeses. So I think that gives it a lot of credit for the amount of butter and richness that you have in here. That tanginess is really nice and balanced. I get a little bit of that lactic acid, maybe a little hint of lemon on there. And so it's just, we've got such a nice, rich balance of flavors. I'm pairing it up with Perseverance Society. This is pepper jelly, 4 peppers in a little jelly, a little bit of apple cider vinegar in there, and on just a regular sourdough cracker. Just a little bit. It's got a little rosemary in it to give it a little bit of flavor. And for the beverage, I went with a Dale's Pale Ale. A little bit of hoppiness, but not too much, but something to be able to cut into the cheddar a little bit. With all that butter, it can really stand up to something with a little hoppy, and so that's why I went with Dale's. Thought that'd be fun. And,
Okay.
with this cheese, it really takes out any of that heat from the peppers. And so you really get more of the pepper. You get kind of like a souped up pepper jack, it gives that little bit of tang to it, but it also has that zip to it that this has.
Yeah, this cheddar too is really very nice because it cleans up. You get that initial flavor, but it doesn't linger. So then it's, as that clears out of your palate, it's like, I think I need some more.
Yeah, it definitely has a really nice balance of flavor, and that tanginess is just exceptional.